Are you struggling to manage your finances and build wealth? Well, financial planning may seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. According to David Edmisten, a certified financial planner, there are 3 keys to becoming rich that everyone should focus on. So, if you're looking to improve your financial situation and live a rich life, keep watching. I'm a financial planner. These are the 3 things you should always invest in if you want to be wealthy. Certain expenditures, such as buying luxury clothing or making impulsive purchases every day, don't offer the kind of long-term value required to live a rich life. The appropriate course of action is to carefully invest in assets for each of the 3 keys you want to achieve rather than spending all of your money on these purchases. What are the 3 elements required to get wealthy? Go banking rates discussed building a strong financial foundation, increasing your marketability, and investing in your health with David Edmisten, CFP, founder and lead advisor at Next Phase Financial Planning. The first step to being wealthy is to have a strong financial foundation. For one's financial holdings, Edmisten advises buying a balanced combination of stocks and bonds. Stocks are growth assets, according to Edmisten. Over a long length of time, they contribute to wealth growth and outperform inflation. Investing in bonds can yield interest and dividend income in addition to dividend-paying stocks. As a result, cash flow can be generated to aid with retirement income. What benefit does investing in stocks and bonds have? Easy to accomplish. Edmisten advises the majority of people to speak with a financial advisor to make investments in line with their risk tolerance. You can enroll in a number of programs right now that can help you become a valuable employee. Edmisten suggests thinking about the following choices: coaching, training, classes. You may raise your earning potential by enrolling in these courses, which not only help you develop your talents. You may raise your earned income by investing in these programs and using them to hone your current abilities, as well as develop some new ones, according to Edmisten. More wealth can be accumulated as a result. We frequently fail to prioritize our health as a crucial self-investment. There are various things you may buy and use every day to make an investment in your own health and well-being. This goes beyond investing in home workout equipment or signing up for fitness classes. Edmisten also suggests taking up an active hobby, eating healthily, and learning to cook. According to Edmisten, being wealthy is not always about having a certain amount of money saved up. It entails leading a wonderful life, of which maintaining excellent health is an important aspect. According to Edmisten, living a healthy lifestyle can help you live longer and have a better quality of life. In addition, it can help prevent expensive medical problems later in life, thus maintaining good health has a definite financial advantage. You'll feel better and have more money to spend on the things you enjoy if you have less medical expenditures. Remember, building wealth is not about making impulsive purchases or following the latest fashion trends. It's about investing in things that provide lasting value. By following the 3 keys of building a solid financial foundation, investing in personal growth, and taking care of your health, you can start on the path towards financial freedom and living your best life. So start taking action today and invest in your future.